Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Efua. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me till this time. To my new subscribers, oh, God bless you. And if you are watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. In this video, you would need yogurt, all right, Greek yogurt, unsweetened yogurt, unflavored yogurt, I mean yogurt with no taste. Okay, then you would need honey, all right, and mix all ingredients together as you see me doing. Yogurt plus honey. So guys, I'm trying to go for a very runny, smooth consistency. So when you are done mixing, apply everything on your face and wait for 10 minutes to dry. When it dries, wash your face with your favorite face soap. And I used my Dudu Osun. Guys, you need to buy one for yourself. Dudu Osun is very good and it's made of herbal stuffs, okay? After cleansing, I used my toner, and I used this toner from The Ordinary. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, this toner is magic. This toner helped clear my pimples, and words cannot describe how much I love this toner. You need to watch my previous video to see how my face looked like. I think that was I will leave a link to that video and you can see how my face used to be. After cleansing, I used The Ordinary niacinamide. Oh, I find it very difficult to always pronounce this word, but I hope I got it right. Niacinamide, and oh Jesus, this stuff. Why didn't I find this stuff so early? This stuff here works like magic. It helps to clear your dark spot. It helps to give you this glowy skin, and but I use this only in the evening. This is like my evening skincare routine. I hate to throw a lot of stuff on my face in the evening. After toning my face, I go for this retinol cream from Amazon, and this face cream is, gosh, what should I say? This face cream is everything. It's so cheap. It costs about €3 and some coins, and this stuff works like magic. When you smell this on your face, it gives you this glowy, smooth face, and it helps also to lighten your dark spots, to treat your hyperpigmentations, to give you this glowy look, this younger skin. I then go for my lip balm from Primark, and this stuff is also very good. I got it for 50 cents because it was on sales. And what is a good skin without beautiful lips? What is a good skin with dry lips? Just invest in something cheap or something expensive depending on your budget for your lips. Lip care is everything. So I just smear this on my lips, and then voila, Hunty is ready to go to bed. Don't forget to like the video. Love you. Subscribe. Bye bye.